Have you ever wondered how to make money in 2024? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Not so long ago, the concept of making money was pretty straightforward. You'd get a job, work hard, and earn a steady income. But as we all know, the world is changing, and so are the ways we make money. In the past, it was all about physical labor and manual work. Then came the Industrial Revolution, which brought about a shift to mechanization. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we're now in the digital age. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities, allowing us to work from anywhere and at any time. We've moved from a traditional 9-to-5 work culture to a more flexible and dynamic gig economy. And now, as we stand on the brink of 2024, we can't help but wonder, what's next? What will be the future of money making? Well, the future of making money is as exciting as it is challenging. It's no longer just about earning a paycheck, it's about finding innovative ways to generate income, leveraging the power of technology and staying ahead of the curve. Consider the rise of cryptocurrencies, for instance. A decade ago, who would have thought that digital currencies would become a viable investment option? Or let's take the example of artificial intelligence and robotics. These technologies are not only changing the way we work, but also creating new job opportunities that we couldn't have imagined before. In 2024, we can expect even more dramatic changes. With the rapid advancement of technology, new avenues for making money will continue to emerge, and those who are ready to adapt and evolve will be the ones to reap the benefits. So, what does all this mean for you? It means that to succeed in 2024, you'll need to think differently. You'll need to be open to new ideas, embrace change, and be willing to take risks. So buckle up as we delve into the futuristic world of money making. The digital revolution has opened up a myriad of opportunities for income generation. We've moved beyond the age of bricks and mortar, where businesses were bound by physical constraints. Today, we live in a world of bits and bytes, where the digital realm has become the new marketplace. In this new era, traditional businesses are being transformed at an unprecedented pace. Retail shops are morphing into e-commerce giants, restaurants into food delivery apps, and taxi services into ride-hailing platforms. It's a paradigm shift that's redefining how we do business and creating a wealth of opportunities for those willing to adapt. Social media, for instance, is no longer just a platform for sharing selfies and cat videos. It has evolved into a powerful tool for business growth. Brands are leveraging the power of social media to reach their target audience, engage with them, and turn them into loyal customers. Influencers are making a living by endorsing products and services to their followers. It's a whole new world of marketing that's personal, direct, and highly effective. Online marketplaces have also revolutionized the way we buy and sell goods. From books and electronics to clothes and furniture, you can buy or sell almost anything online. These platforms have given rise to a new breed of entrepreneurs who are running successful businesses from the comfort of their homes. E-commerce, in particular, has seen exponential growth. With the rise in online shopping, businesses are reaching customers far beyond their geographical boundaries. They're leveraging the power of technology to offer a seamless shopping experience, from browsing products to making payments and getting them delivered right at the doorstep. And it's not just about buying and selling goods. Digital platforms are also transforming the service industry. From online tutoring to fitness coaching, digital platforms are making it easier for professionals to offer their services to a global audience. Clearly, the digital revolution has turned the world into an entrepreneurial playground. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving landscape that's ripe with opportunities for those willing to embrace change and innovate. As we navigate through 2024, the digital revolution continues to shape the future of money-making. A significant shift we are witnessing is the growth of the gig economy. This wave of change is sweeping across the globe, transforming traditional work structures and creating a new dynamic marketplace. But what exactly is the gig economy? In essence, it's a labor market characterized by the prevalence of short-term contracts or freelance work, as opposed to permanent jobs. It's about flexibility, independence, and the freedom to choose when, where, and how you work. The gig economy offers numerous benefits. First and foremost, it provides flexibility. No longer bound by the traditional 9-to-5 schedule, gig workers can choose the hours that suit them best. Whether you're a night owl who thrives in the midnight hours or an early bird who's most productive with the sunrise, the gig economy accommodates your unique rhythm. Next, the gig economy champions autonomy. Gig workers are their own bosses. They select the projects that interest them, set their rates, and decide how much or how little they want to work. This independence can lead to higher job satisfaction and a healthier work-life balance. One of the most significant drivers of the gig economy is technology. With the rise of freelancing websites and app-based services, it's never been easier to find gig work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit connect freelancers with clients, while apps like Uber and Airbnb enable people to turn their car or home into a source of income. But it's not just about making ends meet. The gig economy can also be a platform for entrepreneurship. Many successful businesses have started as side gigs before growing into full-scale operations. Yes, the gig economy has its challenges, such as income instability and lack of benefits. But with the right strategies and a proactive approach, these hurdles can be overcome. The gig economy is reshaping the way we work and earn. It's changing the face of employment, providing opportunities for people to create their own success stories. It's an exciting time to be a part of this dynamic, evolving landscape. Investing smartly is another effective way to make money in 2024. In our rapidly evolving world, it's not enough to just earn and spend money. We need to grow it. And that's where investing comes into play. Investments are like seeds we plant today, nurturing them with patience and care to reap the rewards in the future. Cryptocurrencies, once a fringe element, are now becoming mainstream. With their decentralized nature and potential for high returns, they're attracting investors worldwide. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and newer players like Polkadot and Chainlink offer a variety of options for those willing to navigate the volatile waters of digital currencies. But as with any investment, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. Then we have stocks, the classic investment avenue. With the rise of user-friendly trading platforms, investing in the stock market has never been more accessible. From tech giants like Apple and Amazon to budding startups, the stock market offers a plethora of choices for investors. One key strategy here is to follow the trends, but also to keep an eye on the underdogs, the companies that have the potential to become the next big thing. Mutual funds, on the other hand, offer a less risky alternative. By pooling money from various investors, mutual funds invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. This diversification reduces the risk and offers steady returns. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, mutual funds can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Now, an important thing to remember in the world of investments is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can mitigate risks and increase the potential for returns. Remember, investing is not just about making quick money, it's about planning for a secure future. Whether it's cryptocurrencies, stocks, or mutual funds, smart and strategic investing can be a game changer in your journey towards financial freedom. The key to making money in 2024 lies in adaptability and innovation. We've taken a journey together, traversing the vast landscape of the future's money-making opportunities. Let's pause for a moment and consolidate the key points we've discussed. In an ever-evolving world, adaptability is no longer a luxury but a necessity. The digital revolution is not coming, it's here, altering the way we work, live, and earn. It's crucial to embrace this change head-on and adapt. Whether it's learning a new digital skill or starting an online business, the digital world offers a plethora of opportunities. Next, we looked at the rise of the gig economy. This flexible, project-based work style has seen a tremendous growth, and it's expected to surge even more in 2024. The gig economy allows you to be your own boss, control your hours, and diversify your income streams. It's an excellent way to supplement your earnings or even to replace your traditional job. Then, we delved into the realm of future investments. The power of wise investing cannot be overstated. It's not about quick gains, but long-term growth. Whether you're investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate, remember to diversify your portfolio and to invest in industries that showcase potential for growth. Remember, the key is not just to work for money, but to make your money work for you. In conclusion, the key to making money in 2024 is staying agile. It's about being open to learning, embracing the digital revolution, capitalizing on the gig economy, and making smart investments. The future is not to be feared, but to be prepared for. It's not about predicting the future, but about being prepared for it. And remember, the only constant in life is change. So embrace the change, seize the opportunities, and adapt. The future of making money is here. Are you ready to seize the opportunities 2024 has to offer?